So today we'll discuss the anatomy of the head and neck, lymph nodes. So we'll discuss all the lymph nodes of the head and neck today. So we have divided the lymph nodes into the superficial lymph nodes and the deep lymph nodes. So what are the superficial lymph nodes and what are the deep lymph nodes, and what is the meaning of superficial and deep? The superficial lymph nodes, they are present in the superficial fascia. So that's why they are called superficial nodes. And the deeper nodes present uh, uh, deep to the deep fascia, that's why they are called the deeper nodes. Okay? The deeper nodes are deeper to the deep fascia, and superficial nodes in the superficial fascia. Okay. So what are the superficial nodes? We have a superficial nodes in the face and superficial nodes in the neck. Okay. So we will discuss all the superficial nodes, and then we'll come and discuss with the deeper nodes. Regarding to the superficial nodes, we have these buccal nodes. These buccal or facial nodes is over the buccinator muscle. These buccal or facial nodes, these are one or two lymph nodes which is present over the buccinator muscle. They are also called facial nodes, and these lymph nodes can drain in the submandibular nodes. Okay? So these are the superficial nodes, and other superficial nodes are the parotid nodes, which is over the parotid gland, and some are in the substance of the parotid gland. These nodes, the parotid nodes, are also called preauricular because they are in front of the auricle. That's why they are called preauricular nodes, and they are also called no, so they are called preauricular nodes, and these nodes drains the parotid gland and also drains the auricle of the ear, and also drains the external auditory meatus. अच्छा, these preauricular और जो parotid nodes हैं, they also drain the जो है आपका middle part of the skull. This all middle part of the skull drains into the preauricular or the जो आपका parotid nodes हैं. So this middle part of the skull drains into the preauricular nodes. Okay, then we have a post-auricular nodes. These are called retroauricular, postauricular, or the mastoid nodes. It has three names. These nodes are present over the mastoid bone of the temporal bone. Okay? So they are behind the ear. That's why they are called retroauricular or postauricular. So these nodes drain the uh, posterior part of the skull. ठीक है. So these nodes drain the posterior part of the skull. They also drain the pinna and the external auditory meatus. So it drains the ear, it drains the posterior part of the skull. So we have divided the skull into the three parts: the anterior part, the middle part, and the posterior part. So the posterior part of the skull uh, drains these posterior auricular, retroauricular, or parotid nodes. Oh, sorry, mastoid nodes. So another nodes which are behind the postauricular, retroauricular nodes, they are called occipital nodes. They are all superficial nodes. So these occipital nodes drain the most posterior part of the skull. So these occipital, they are present over the occipital bone, and they drain the most posterior part of the occiput. Again, we have a buccal nodes over the buccinator muscle. They are also called the facial nodes. They drain into the submandibular glands. We have preauricular or parotid nodes. They are over the parotid, and some are under the substance of the parotid gland. They drain the uh, lateral part of the eyelids. They drain the auricle. They drain the external auditory meatus. They drain the middle part of the skull. So, and the post auricular and retro auricular because they are behind the auricle, and they are present over the mastoid process. That's why they are called mastoid nodes as well. They drain the posterior part of the auricle, external auditory meatus, and the part of the skull, the which is above the post auricular. So it drains the जो है आपका posterior part of the skull, this part, and the most posterior part drained by the occipital node. Anta. We have submandibular nodes as well. In the submandibular triangle, we have a submandibular nodes over the submandibular gland. ठीक है? These lymph nodes, which are called the submandibular lymph nodes, they drain the area of forehead. ठीक है? They drain the area of forehead, and they also drain the nose. They drain the area of जो है आपका cheeks. ठीक है? And medial part of the eyelids, because the lateral part of the eyelids drained by the parotid nodes. And also the skin and fascia over the parotid, it is drained by the parotid nodes. Skin and fascia, most lateral part of the face, it is drained by the parotid or preauricular nodes. ठीक है? बाकी जो है the area of the cheek, the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, but the central part of the lower lip, it is not drained by the submandibular gland. The upper teeth and the lower teeth, and the incisors of the lower teeth, it is not drained by the submandibular gland, it is drained by the submental nodes. And the area of the chin is also drained by the submental nodes. So the submandibular nodes drains the tongue, anterior two-thirds of the tongue, except the tip of the tongue, which is drained by the submental nodes. So and again, the submandibular node, which is present over the submandibular gland in the submandibular triangle, drains the area of the forehead, the medial part of the eyes or eyelids, the nose, the cheeks, the upper lip, the lower lip, the upper teeth, the lower teeth, but except the incisors of the lower teeth and center of the lower lip. It is not drained by the submandibular gland. Okay? And the frontal sinus, the maxillary sinus, the ethmoid sinus, and anterior two-thirds of the tongue, the vestibule of the mouth, the gums, and the floor of the mouth. Most of the floor of the mouth is drained by the submandibular glands. समझ आ गया? So the forehead, the medial part of the eyelids, the nose, the major part of the cheek, except the area, skin and fascia of the over the parotid, which is drained by the parotid or preauricular nodes. Otherwise, the rest of the cheek is drained by the submandibular. The upper lip, the lower lip, except the central part of the lower lip, upper teeth, the lower teeth, except the incisors of the lower teeth, and जो है आपका anterior two-thirds of the tongue except the tip of the tongue, and जो आपका floor of the mouth, the vestibule, the gums, all are drained by the submandibular glands, submandibular lymph nodes. So these are the submandibular lymph nodes, which is over the submandibular gland. Okay. So the superficial nodes mostly drain the skin and superficial fascia. Okay. So and the last, they are in the head and neck, they are the submental nodes. Submental nodes present in the submental triangle. It drains the lower center of the lower lip, it drains the tip of the tongue, anterior part of the floor of mouth, it drains the chin area, skin and superficial fascia of the chin. So these are these all things drained by the submental node, which is present between the in the submental triangle between the two जो है anterior valleys of digastric. So these are the submental nodes. Again, the submental nodes drain the center of the lip, tip of the tongue, anterior part of the floor of the mouth, but rest of the floor of the mouth drained by the submandibular. सिर्फ anterior part of the floor of the mouth drained by the submental. The skin and superficial fascia of the chin. So these all things drained by the submental nodes. So we have a जो है आपका superficial nodes in the head. Head में कौन से? We have a parotid or preauricular. It drains the parotid gland, the upper part of the skull, which is the middle part of the skull, and it drains the ear, external pinna, and the external auditory meatus. It also drains the lateral part of the eyelids. It also drains the skin and superficial fascia over the parotid. So most lateral part of the face, it is drained into the preauricular or parotid nodes. These are the buccal nodes, which or facial nodes, which is over the buccinator, and it drains the area of cheek over the buccinator and drains into the submandibular. And the submandibular, which is present in the submandibular triangle over the submandibular gland, it drains the area of forehead, it drains the area of nose, medial part of the eyelids, and the major area of the cheek, the upper lip, the lower lip, except the central part of the lower lip, which goes into the submental nodes. The anterior two-thirds of the tongue, except the tip of the tongue, which goes into the submental nodes. Major part of the floor of the mouth, except the anterior part of the floor of the mouth, which goes into the submental nodes. The vestibule, the gums, all drained by the submandibular glands, and the chin area drained by the submental nodes. So the major area like forehead, the medial part of the eyelids, the nose, the cheek, the upper lip, the lower lip, the upper teeth, the lower teeth, except the incisors, which drained by the submental nodes. The rest of the things drain into the submandibular nodes. And the submental जो है आपके nodes, they present in the submental triangle. They are the superficial nodes. They present in the superficial nodes present in the superficial fascia. They drain the center of the lower lip. They drain the tip of the tongue, anterior part of the floor of the mouth, and the incisors of the lower teeth, and the chin area drained into the um, submental nodes. The major area of the cheek drained into the submandibular, the most lateral part of the cheek, over the skin and fascia, over the parotid nodes or over the preauricular nodes drained into the जो है आपका parotid nodes. So parotid nodes drain the lateral part of the eyelids, they drain the parotid gland, they drain the middle part of the skull, they drain the area of ear like pinna and the external auditory meatus. The post-auricular, which is over the mastoid process, that's why they are called the retroauricular. Retro means posterior, posterior to the auricle, posterior auricular, and the mastoid nodes. So they are all same, and they are present over the mastoid process of the temporal bone. They drain the posterior part of the auricle, they drain the external auditory meatus, they drain the posterior part of the skull, ठीक है, and the most posterior part of the skull drained by the occipital node, which is over the occipital bone and drain the most posterior part of the occiput. So these are the superficial nodes in the head, and now we'll discuss the superficial nodes in the neck. So 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 we have an in the in the mid, we have anterior jugular veins. The superficial submandibular veins actually forms the जो है आपका anterior jugular veins, which are coming in the जो front of the neck, ठीक है, on the both side. The nodes which are present along with the anterior jugular nodes, they are also a superficial nodes, and they are called superficial anterior cervical nodes, and they drain the skin and fascia of the front of the neck. ठीक है? The nodes which are along with the anterior jugular veins, the nodes which are along with anterior jugular veins, they are actually anterior cervical nodes. Okay, and they drain the area of the front of the neck. Skin and superficial fascia of the front of the neck drained by the anterior cervical nodes which are along with the anterior jugular veins. Okay? And the superficial cervical nodes which are along with the external jugular vein which is formed by the this posterior auricular and the maxillary vein. This is an external jugular vein. This external jugular vein forms the superficial cervical nodes. So these jugular nodes, external jugular nodes, this is posterior auricular, this is the posterior division of the जो है आपका retromandibular. So they actually forms the external jugular. The external jugular is actually along the nodes along the external jugular. They are superficial cervical nodes, and these superficial cervical nodes drain the area of parotid. They also drain the area of the angle of the jaw. ठीक है, यहाँ पर angle of the jaw, skin over the angle of the jaw, and on they also drain the lobule of the ear. So the nodes which are along with the anterior jugular veins, they are called anterior cervical nodes. They are superficial nodes of the neck. They are superficial nodes of the neck. And what are superficial nodes? The superficial nodes actually are those which drain the skin and superficial fascia. So the anterior cervical nodes, which are along with the anterior jugular veins, they actually drain the front of the neck, skin and superficial fascia of the front of the neck. And those which are along with the external jugular vein, they actually drain the lower part of the parotid, they drain the lobule of the ear, and they drain the angle of the jaw. So this is external jugular, which is formed by the posterior auricular, and the posterior division of the retromandibular vein forms the external jugular, and it drains into the subclavian vein. So the nodes along the external jugular are called superficial cervical nodes. They drain the lower part of the parotid. They drain the जो है आपका they drain the lower part of the parotid. They drain the angle of the jaw. They drain the lobule of the ear. So the superficial cervical node, these are the submandibular. They drain the tongue, lips, mouth, and conjunctiva. So these are the superficial nodes, submandibular nodes. I already told you the area of the submandibular nodes: the forehead, the neck, the nose, the medial part of the eyelids, conjunctiva, and the area of the major area of the cheek, except the skin and fascia over the parotid. Most lateral part of the cheek is the drains into this parotid. In most other part of the major part of the cheek drains into the submandibular, the upper lip, the lower lip, the upper teeth, the lower teeth except the incisors, lower lip except the center of the lower lip, and the area of the chin, it goes to this submental. The center of the lip goes to a submental, and the tip of the tongue goes to submental. The anterior part of the floor of the mouth goes to submental. So these all things goes to submental nodes, but rest of the areas except the rest of the areas like frontal sinus, ethmoid, the maxillary, and the forehead, the nose, the eyelid, medial part of the eyelids, conjunctiva, cheeks, upper teeth, lower teeth, vestibule, gums, anterior part of the tongue. So they are all drained into the submandibular. Submental, the lower lip, the center part of the lower lip, floor of the mouth, the anterior part of the floor of the mouth, and the tip of the tongue. And the posterior auricular, this posterior retroauricular mastoid nodes, external auditory meatus, pinna, and on the area or the middle part, the posterior part of the middle part of the skull. So it is the area which is over the mastoid, the area of the skull which is over the mastoid, it drains by the mastoid nodes. The most posterior area drained by the occipital node. So ठीक है, okay, we'll move forward and now we'll discuss the जो है आपका we'll discuss the deep cervical nodes. So this is actually the buccal nodes or facial nodes. This is parotid preauricular node. This is postauricular or mastoid node. This is occipital nodes, and this is submandibular, and this is आपका जो है submental nodes, and this is mastoid, and this is mastoid. Acha, this is retropharyngeal. Beta, this is retropharyngeal. The retropharyngeal nodes, the nodes which are behind the pharynx, they are deep, deep cervical nodes. The retropharyngeal nodes which drains the pharynx, and they are deep cervical nodes. ठीक है? So these are the retropharyngeal nodes. अच्छा, एक होते laryngeal nodes, which are below the hyoid bone, over the larynx. Below the hyoid bone, over the larynx, we have a laryngeal nodes. Okay? So we have behind the pharynx, we have a pharyngeal nodes, and they drain the pharynx. Below the hyoid bone, we have a laryngeal. ये देखिए larynx. Okay? So these are the laryngeal lymph nodes. So these laryngeal nodes actually drains the larynx. So the pharyngeal nodes drain, which are present behind the pharynx, we drain the pharynx and then ultimately goes into the deep cervical nodes of the internal jugular vein. So pharyngeal nodes drain the pharynx. They are the deep cervical. The laryngeal, they are also deep cervical, the deeper nodes of the neck, and they actually drain the larynx. And we have a pretracheal nodes and the pre means over the trachea, and the paratracheal means along with the trachea. So this pretracheal and the paratracheal, they are also the deeper cervical nodes. They are the deep cervical nodes, the pharyngeal nodes, the laryngeal nodes, and the आपके जो है pretracheal in front of the trachea and paratracheal along with the trachea. They drain the trachea. They also drain the thyroid gland. They drain the trachea. They drain the thyroid gland. ठीक है बेटा? So we have midline deep cervical nodes like pharyngeal nodes, like the laryngeal nodes, which is below the hyoid bone over the larynx. We have a laryngeal nodes which drains the larynx, and we have a pretracheal nodes which is in front of the trachea, and the paratracheal node which is along with the trachea. These nodes drains the thyroid. They also drain the trachea. So these are midline जो हैं आपके deep cervical nodes. अच्छा, that's the nodes which are present. So this is a posterior belly of digastric. Sorry, the posterior belly of digastric will cross like this. So this is the cut edge of the sternocleidomastoid. So over the mastoid process, the posterior belly of the digastric is also attached, and it covers the internal jugular vein. So the area which is behind the posterior belly of digastric contains the nodes which are called jugulo-digastric. Jugulo because it is over the jugular vein, and the digastric because they are behind the digastric. आपका जो है posterior belly of digastric, they are behind the posterior belly of digastric. That's why they are called the jugulo-digastric. And they actually drain the submandibular gland drains into the jugulo-digastric, and the jugulo-digastric also drains the posterior one-third of the tongue and the tonsils. These jugulo-digastric, this is the internal jugular vein, this is the carotid artery, this is the phrenic nerve, and the vagus nerve should be in between them. So this is internal jugular vein. The area of the internal jugular vein which is covered by the posterior belly of digastric. The area of the jugular vein which is covered by the posterior belly of digastric, and behind the posterior belly of digastric, over the jugular vein, we have a jugulo-digastric nodes. They drain the submandibular gland. They also drain the posterior one-third of the tongue. The anterior one-third of the tongue, majority of the anterior anterior two-third of the tongue and majority of the anterior two-third drained by the submandibular, except the tip of the tongue of anterior two-third, which is drained by the submental nodes. Okay, so the posterior one-third of the tongue is drained by the जो है आपका jugulo-digastric nodes. The jugulo-digastric, because they are behind the posterior belly of digastric and over the internal jugular vein, and they drain the submandibular. They also drain the posterior one-third of the tongue. They also drain the tonsils. जब भी tonsils they become enlarged, you will find an enlarged jugulo-digastric nodes. ठीक है? Okay. And the area where the superior belly of the omohyoid, it covers the internal jugular vein, that area is called jugulo-omohyoid. So that area is called jugulo-omohyoid, and the jugulo-omohyoid receives the deep cervical, the jugulo-omohyoid, these are the nodes of the jugulo-omohyoid. They are covered by the superior belly of omohyoid. These are the cut edges of the omohyoid. It is covered by the omohyoid, superior belly of omohyoid. So that's why the nodes which are over the jugular vein and under the cover of superior belly of omohyoid, that's why they are called jugulo-omohyoid. And these nodes actually drains the जो है आपका jugulo-digastric nodes, and they form a jugular lymph trunk, and these jugular lymphatic trunk on the right side enters into the right lymphatic duct, and on the left side it enters into the जो है आपका thoracic duct. ठीक है? So these jugulo-digastric nodes, which are under the cover of superior belly of omohyoid, and these nodes are over the internal jugular vein. So these are also the deep cervical nodes. These are the midline deep cervical nodes. These are the lateral deep cervical nodes. In the midline deep cervical nodes, we have a pharyngeal nodes which are behind the pharynx and drain the area of the pharynx. We have a laryngeal nodes which are behind the hyoid bone, below the hyoid bone, over the जो है आपका laryngeal apparatus, and it drains the larynx. We have pretracheal, the nodes which are over the trachea, they are called pretracheal, which are along with the trachea, they are called paratracheal. They drain the thyroid gland. They also drain the trachea. So these are the midline deep cervical nodes, and the lateral deep cervical nodes, we have a jugulo-digastric, which are under the cover of posterior belly of omohyoid and over the jugular vein. And we have jugulo-omohyoid, which is under the cover of superior belly of omohyoid and over the internal jugular vein. So this जो है आपका jugulo-digastric actually receives the submandibular gland, submandibular lymph nodes, and also drains the posterior one-third of the tongue, and it also drains the tonsils. And the jugulo-omohyoid receives the lymph of the jugulo-digastric, and it forms a jugulo-lymphatic trunk. On the right side, that trunk opens into the right lymphatic duct. On the left side, it opens into the जो है आपका On the left side, it opens into the thoracic duct. These are the nodes which are present in the posterior triangle of the neck. They drain the area of the posterior triangle of the neck. So we have superficial nodes, we have deeper nodes. The superficial nodes, they are present in the superficial fascia, and the deeper nodes present deep to the deep fascia. And in the superficial nodes in the head, they are जो है आपका buccal node, which is over the buccinator, they are called facial nodes. We have preauricular nodes, or we have a parotid nodes in the in the substance of the parotid gland. It drains the जो है आपका skin and fascia over the parotid gland, the lateral part of the eyelids, and it also drains the area of the scalp, which is over the area of the scalp which is over the parotid gland. So this area of the parotid skull is drained by the parotid gland. The pinna, the external auditory meatus, is drained into the preauricular or parotid nodes. And this is these are the mastoid nodes. They are also called over the mastoid process of the temporal bone. They are also called retroauricular and the postauricular nodes. They drain the pinna and the external auditory meatus. They drain the area of the skull which is over the mastoid nodes, and they drain the I think bus. And the most posterior part of the skull drained by the occipital nodes. Submandibular nodes, they drain the area of the forehead, the nose, the medial part of the eyelid, the conjunctiva, the major part of the cheek, except the most lateral part of the cheek, which is drained by the parotid nose. Otherwise, the major part of the cheek is drained by submandibular. And the upper lip, the lower lip, the upper teeth, and the lower teeth, जो है आपका, except the incisors, the lower lip में central part of the lip is drained by the submandibular. Otherwise, the rest of the lip is drained by the submandibular. The frontal sinus, the ethmoid sinus, the maxillary sinus, the anterior two-thirds of the tongue except the tip, the vestibule, the gums, the floor of the mouth, all drained by the submandibular. The submental drains the chin area, the center part of the lower lip, tip of the tongue, the anterior part of the floor of the mouth drains into the submental nodes. ठीक है. Then we have in the neck we have anterior cervical nodes which are along with the jugular vein. It is not visible here, but it is along with the anterior jugular vein. They are called the anterior cervical node, and they drain the skin and fascia of the front of the neck. Anterior cervical nodes along with the anterior jugular vein. And the superficial cervical nodes, which are along with the external jugular vein, they are also the superficial cervical nodes. They are also the variety of superficial nodes, and they drain the lower part of the parotid. They drain the angle of the jaw, and they drain the जो है आपका lobule of the ear. Superficial cervical nodes along with the external jugular vein. अच्छा, deeper nodes in the center of the neck, we have pharyngeal nodes. Behind the pharynx, drain the pharyngeal area. The laryngeal nodes, inferior to the hyoid bone, over the laryngeal apparatus, we have a laryngeal node. It drains the larynx. And we have pretracheal nodes, which are over the trachea, and along with the trachea, paratracheal nodes. They drain the area of they drain the thyroid gland and the trachea. So they are midline deep cervical nodes. The lateral deep cervical nodes contains the jugulo-digastric, the area of nodes which are behind the posterior belly of digastric and over the jugular vein. They are called jugulo-digastric. They receive the lymph of submandibular. They drain the posterior area of the tongue, posterior one-third of the tongue, and they drain the tonsillar area, tonsils. Okay, so whenever the tonsils become enlarged, you will find the enlargement of the jugulo-digastric nodes. Whenever any carcinoma, any lesion occur in the posterior part of the tongue, the jugulo-digastrics, they become enlarged. Okay, so the tongue is actually drained by the three important nodes. The tip of the tongue drained by the submental nodes. The remaining anterior two-thirds of the tongue drained by the submandibular. The posterior one third of the tongue is drained into the jugular-digastric node. The 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 nodes which are behind the superior belly of omohyoid and over the jugular vein, they are called jugulo-omohyoid nodes, and actually they drain the jugular-digastric and they form a jugular lymphatic trunk. On the right side, it enters into the right lymphatic duct. On the left side, we have it entered into the thoracic duct. So this is preauricular, mastoid, occipital, ठीक है, और these are submental, the sub maxillary or submandibular, they are same. These are parotid, ठीक है. These are anterior cervical. Anterior cervical along with the anterior, यहाँ होना चाहिए anterior cervical along with the anterior jugular vein, and the superficial cervical node should be here with the external jugular vein. These are supraclavicular. It drains the area of supraclavicular. So posterior cervical, we have a jugular node. Along with that, we have that jugular node, jugular omohyoid and jugular digastric. These are the posterior cervical, and these are nodes in the posterior triangle of the neck. Thank you so much, and